6 daily phrasal verbs native speakers use every day. Hello and welcome to MS English Diary. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This is the perfect place to start. Today we are going to learn something very important for daily English speaking. Phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus a preposition or adverb that creates a different meaning. Native English speakers use them every day, so learning them will help you speak more naturally and confidently. Today, you will learn 6 simple and useful phrasal verbs with beginner-friendly daily life examples. Let's begin. 1. Think over, meaning to consider something carefully before making a decision. Example, I need time to think over your offer. 2. Put up, meaning to build or place something in a position. Example, they put up a tent near the river. 3. Team up, meaning to join with someone to work together. Example, we teamed up to complete the project. 4. Call up, meaning to telephone someone. Example, I will call up my friend tonight. 5. Call back, meaning to return a phone call. Example, she said she will call me back later. 6. Ask around, meaning to ask several people for information. Example, I asked around but no one knew the answer. Keep learning step by step and practice every day. The more you use phrasal verbs, the more natural your English will sound. Remember, fluency is built through daily practice and confidence. Thank you.